Do you remember Back to the Future? That old movie where a teenager travels back in time, meets his parents, and creates an alternate future? Don't you wish sometimes you could do that? Change the past? Well, in Spanish, you can, grammatically speaking, right? And that's where the word hubiera comes. Hello there, this is Daniel and welcome back to Spanish 55. If you come across the word hubiera, then you're probably thinking, what does it mean and how does it work? If that's your case, don't worry, you're not alone. I'm here for you. Hubiera is the past subjunctive tense of the verb haber, which by the way means to have. Now, you're probably thinking, great Scott, I've heard of the subjunctive mood, but past subjunctive? Oy. This is heavy talk. Don't worry. We're not gonna dive into all the rules today. I just want you to keep in mind that past subjunctive, it's a tense for past situations or events that could have happened. They are just hypothetical. They didn't really happen, but we wish they did. Before we move on into some examples, if you're the kind of Spanish learner who needs some support, motivation, and organization, then why not check out Spanish55.com? You can work one-on-one with one of our coaches who will tailor every lesson to your learning style and goals. If you wish to book a free consultation, you can find the link in the description box below. Here are some examples. Si lo hubiera sabido, te habría ayudado. If I had known, I would have helped you. Notice how we're talking about a situation that didn't really happen. It's really a what-if scenario. Now here's another example. Ojalá que hubieras venido a la fiesta. I wish you had come to the party. Again, we're expressing a wish about something that didn't really happen. By the way, we have some of the best videos you can find on YouTube to understand the subjunctive mood, even if you are a beginner. You can find a link to our playlist in the description box. Let us now talk about habría. You may be wondering, what's the difference between hubiera and habría? They kind of sound alike, right? Well, I'm glad you asked. Hubiera is used for hypothetical situations. We use it to talk about things that didn't really happen. Habría, on the other hand, is used for conditional past situations. We use it to talk about things that didn't happen, but they could have. And it's quite common to use them together. For example, si hubiera estudiado, habría pasado el examen. If I had studied, I would have passed the exam. So why should I bother to learn hubiera? Well, it's quite simple. Because it adds depth to your Spanish. It allows you to express yourself in a more colorful and reflective way. In summary, hubiera is a past subjunctive tense of the verb haber. It is used for hypothetical situations, wishes, and events that never happened. And it's quite common to pair it with habría. Alright, now that you know what hubiera means and how to use it, it's time for practice. Keep your ears open for whenever it pops up in a movie, a song, or in a conversation. And don't forget to listen to our podcast, Conquering Spanish, where you get all the inspiration that you need to keep on learning. Thank you for watching. Hasta la próxima.